The chief whip, the majority chief whip in the county assembly, I think I want to make the records clear. There was some information which was running in the media that the MCS of Kisumu County have staged a sit-in at China Square. I want to categorically give information that we did not stage any sit-in at the China Square. We came here just on a fact-finding mission, and our efforts have yielded results whereby the chair of the Labour is going to read our resolutions, and thereby we are going to have a conclusive meeting chaired by the Deputy Governor of Kisumu County on Monday. And I want to reassure all investors in Kisumu County coming from far as outside the country that only last week we had an international investment conference in Kisumu, a very successful event which was presided over by none other than the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, whereby we reassured their investors that we need them to come to Kisumu to invest. And as a result, Mr. Chan has also assured us that they are going to bring more investments into Kisumu.